welcome to Picasso's first video vlog of 2021. With these vlogs, we are able to connect you on a personal level and deliver some exciting news and tips regarding our products. So now that you are sipping away on your favorite beverage, let's jump right into it. Starting with the obvious. Why choose Pikasso Knockdown furniture? Well, I've got 4 reasons for you. Starting with the costs. Pikasso Knockdown furniture is affordable because there isn't any building labor or importer tax added to the products and are made right here in the mother city of South Africa. Number 2, it's easy to assemble and has great quality. When we design a product, we try to keep it as simple as possible and not to make it too complicated so that everyone can build it, regardless of your age and DIY background. We want to assure you that our quality is up to your standards and will always fulfill your basic needs. And number 3, it enhances your creativity and DIY skills. See it as a practical Lego kit with the benefit of using it on a daily basis. Plus, it won't hurt as much when stepping on it. I mean, what a bargain. And lastly, it increases your appreciation. You've just built something and you need to take pride in it. Whether you are skilled or new to DIY furniture, there will always be that moment when glancing at it to say that I've built that. You can truly be proud of your accomplishment. Not only did you save money, but you've built it with your own 2 hands. And that is why you should maybe consider buying Pikasso DIY furniture next time, as we strive for your satisfaction. And now for some other fantastic news. We are proud to announce that all our products comes with free nationwide shipping. I mean, it can't get any better than that. Or can it? Yes, it can. We are excited to let you know, by the end of this month, we'll be launching a brand new cupboard design. And we are simply calling it the new wardrobe. So please, keep an eye out on our Facebook page and website for more details closer to the time. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.